part 2 will be front fenders, and then part number 3 is going to be setting up this front bumper. We already have issues, and I'll show you a little sneak peek. We're going to have to mold this fender into the front bumper, and you guys will. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the fender now that I have some structural holes to begin with. Take off the fender. I'm going to start putting in some riv nuts so I can start getting basis of what I have. It's going to be fucking crazy once it's done. Okay, these holes are from where my fender badge originally was. You can see there might be 2 little ones right here. These 4 holes, or 5 holes, are what we care about though. That's where I'm going to be mounting up the official thing. I'm going to be cutting out this little bit right here to make sure I have clearance for the tire when I lower and widen it out. For now, until I put the 3-piece wheels on, what I'm going to be doing is just running these with spacers on the meantime. I know people don't like spacers. A lot of people run them, and there's a lot of cars that I know, even drift cars, that run spacers. I'm not too concerned about the reliability factor. I just want to make sure that it has the correct stance for now, and then we'll be dealing with 3-piece. I found the perfect size that can fit in my riv nuts. I also just ordered brand new hardware for this car. It's going to match the same hardware that I have on my wicker bill. The hardware is super nice and a little bit pricey, but I'm excited to run it on my car. I ordered about 60 of them. Should be enough for the entire kit, I hope. So I'm excited to show you guys once I have those in person. And then this, look how perfect that fitment is for each one of these holes. Look how perfect fitment these riv nuts are gonna be. Again, look at that. I have to hardly press, I have to press in really hard to make sure that they even want to go in. So that's how you know it's gonna be good. The fit and finish of each one of these riv nuts is really nice. I'm gonna go through and I'm actually gonna fully mount all of them, and then we're gonna fit up the kit again and see how close the fitment is. I'm gonna slowly sand off. You can tell right here there's a slight little edge, and it looks really small on camera. It's bigger in person. It's only till right there. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and just slowly sand away at it until I have a perfect contour. This is going to be the most accurate and best shape to match up with the car. I'm going to take my time with this and watch YouTube or something and just relax because I want to make sure I don't mess this up right here. The sanding that we did on the car worked. I drilled out 3 more holes. We're going to do a little bit more sanding to the front of this. This little edge I'm going to get rid of a little bit more of, and then in the rear I'm going to try to make it fit a little bit better. I'll show you guys the fully mounted. Oh my goodness. This is the craziest car I will own. My dream since when I got this car was I'm going to cut it up and wide body the fuck out of it. I'm doing that. Oh my goodness.
Wait, why are you moving that one? Why don't you drive the 2 backwards?
Because I don't have a screw. I could try to find a screw in here that's long enough. Remember I told you I have some other screws, but I don't have this screw. Here. I have a screw that I think I can get in there. It's a little bit longer. Okay, let me show everybody. We officially have mounted the front fender. It only has 2 screws in it, or 3 screws in it, but you can literally see. Cece, can you hold down the part that we need to still drill at the front? If you guys can see, that line from over the hood, where that little edge is, goes all the way around, wrapping perfectly over there. This looks really fucking good. I'm so happy with that. oh my goodness, I can't wait to wrap this and make it look 100%. What I'm gonna do now, we drilled the final hole on that side. All we gotta do is finish out the holes on this side. Is what I'll do next. It has gotten dark out and I've recorded a lot of footage today. I'm gonna officially wrap up this side tonight. We're gonna do the exact same thing tomorrow night. The final shape and the final look of this car is incredible. The body line from this going over to that is absolutely perfect. If we close the door line perfectly goes from there over to here. As a whole, the car looks fucking crazy. I'm starting to finally see the final vision again, and it makes me really happy. Every time I do more work on this car, I start to get rejuvenated by this car. This car brought me a lot of sadness, and it's also my first project car. It's got me into cars in the first place, and this was also the first car I ever fell in love with. And the fact that certain things didn't go right with it kind of made me feel like I was walking into a wall with it, and I took off the wrap. I just kind of lost hope in this build, but seeing this front fender on it and actually seeing the entire vision of the rest of the kit has re-inspired me. I already knew hardware. The hardware is super expensive. If you guys know anything, hardware is really hard to come by, stuff that doesn't rust. Right now I just have like simple little bolts in it, but I ordered the exact same from the exact same company. I ordered the exact same stealth hardware that's in my wicker bill back here. And if you guys cannot tell, it's absolutely, let me focus. Can you hold this light here so I can focus? There you go. It's absolutely incredible stealth hardware. And this with the wing too. This with the wing as a whole, it looks like a GT touring car. This doesn't look like a street legal car. It looks like a fucking race car. So if you guys enjoy the video, drop a like, drop a subscribe. I cannot wait to finish it. Oh my God, is it so wide? The wheel's literally gonna stick out to here now. I can't wait to finish it, guys. Literally my dream car coming to life right now.
See now, big crib, living solitary. New whip with the interior cream.